You just all you're as again you're a vibe man, so you're linking with everybody. So then how did you link with teacher in the first place? Especially you being a Casava Piece man, where you're supposed to by right say gully. That's what you're supposed to say in the
Yeah,
verse.
what was it?
But all you end up
Say
saying
gully.
Gaza.
But being say gully, I will never stop say gully. Because born and grew up on the gully, so it's friends look back we is the gully. You see me? But we did it as a selector in the community. I play a cartel song, which the younger the generation them growing up them not play the cartel.
What made you think that's the best thing to do, especially in the gully them time? Start to play cartel. You know that's the other side of the fence.
No, what you saying? You see music? Music is a very jealous thing. See if you try to take side, you take side with yourself. Because music not no boundary. That's how you got to reach out to the God. What makes sense? You do a song. Vado do a song, Cartel do a song, and you try to dump one and play one. You see me, that never occurred in my mind. I trying to play the both song. Because remember, the take program, them own that. You see me? And music is a thing. You have to know how to move the needle. You can't move the needle one way. It's not going to work. You see me, I said? Just try and know that. You have a juggling, you play the cartel, play the mobile, you play the one ticket, you play the beat man, you play the man cover, play the spranger banks. Such a win state. But them look at you and know them that play one side. You see me? And cartel here say, I'm here, play the songs then. And link up with me and give me 21 ducks or 21, 25 ducks. One load me up one time, him just sit up on a chair and load me up. Play a dog plate. When look on my road, man, I trouble. When the man give me something, him say, yo, mosquito wells. Me not know what to say, me astonish. You see me, I say? Them time they because me have my little son of me building them a virgin from British Virgin Islands to call it Fire Q. You see me, I say? Yeah. If we are the one, Fire Q. No sound nobody like you. You know what I said? Yeah, man, much of the whole place, man.
When you started to link with cartel, was the war with Gully and Gaza happening at this time, or it was just bubbling over? Everybody was cool at this
You know, sir, everybody cool when we are linking. A cartel used to come by the Gully. Over things were linking. Remember we did it from before they need to start linking, them start linking. You see, when I say coming home from school, coming home from school, you see the excitement and rare, got cartel used to come by the box. Everybody was friendly. You see what I say? Yeah, everybody was one. You see what I say? Yeah.
So you were linking from before the whole war broke out.
Yeah, man.
So then now you be on the Gully side and the war broke up. How are you dealing with, I'm living here, but I'm linking with these men over here. How are you dealing with that? Or how are the men in the area even looking at you at this time?
Yeah, them look as me as a snitch. But literally speaking, you are focused on your will and know where you are. You see me, because your goals is out there for you. Because you have to decide your mind where you're going to go for it. Because if I don't move to this, or me I'll get it. I mean, I like to ask people because I'm not really beggy. You see me, I say, I have to go for one. Yeah, man, so me have to go out there. So what I have to do? People see me, call me all type on them, I don't look on them, because what you know, it's only one quick cook and one general. You see me, I say, I'm by the end of the day, I'm going to put the food in my plate. Yeah. So me go out there and look for it. One, show them officer, say when them officer. All of them were saying, why them let to that? Them last. So me no listen talk him out. And the greatest thing me not sell out the youth. I'm no informer. Because me informer joy that take my life and me ever sell out and joy that take my life. You do good shall follow. You see me I say, that's why I'm there up to the day. And none of them can find no finger upon me. Yeah, man.
So how was Gaza preying you at this time then? Because you saying Gully is preying you this way, and this is where you live. How was Gaza preying you at this time then?
No, Gaza deal with music here. You see me I said? Yeah, man, Gaza and cartel. Music, him a deal with them music, but I mean, I never any distraction, right? I mean, that's a quick cook, walk on up there, even I do that something, I try question and try prove all the word. Even though what we did on the music, me I deal with. And cartel, I like informer. And I'm like Twinkie Bird now chat him up. You see me I say, if I was an informer, I'm going to give a go back down the camera and say, well, that boy, I carry news and I'm a stitching. What? You see me? But me hold my composure. I know what me a deal with. You see me? Literally speaking when I time, a straight Gaza beat never say, no, Gaza man there. See Gaza when they're fast. Yeah, Gaza selector. No disrespecting about the selector and other selector. A straight Gaza when I time. Cause everyone cartel them, me have to there play. Remember me in the building all them place, you know.
Of course, with Kartel
The
and
cartel, you know, Ochi and them place and cartel and keep them brother, me have to there them in there. They find the posters and all that, something there, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, man.
from those. Okay, so then you got the 25 tune from Kartel. Did you get any dubs from Mavado this time, you know, or you kind of shaky with them on this side?
Yeah, man. My father give me a song where squeeze up breast and like the trigger of my gun.
Yeah.
Turn that back way. You see what I say? Yeah, but Friday should I give more songs. One song he been about my grateful feet. Yeah, and it go good. Yeah, man. Fire cure.
So were you traveling with Kartel tour one time?
No, I never get a chance to travel. You see what I say? Yeah. Cause I don't know the traveling that one and them something there. You see what I say? And then I end up the tour and go par with Egyptians.
Okay, so then right after Kartel was Egyptian link.
Mm-hmm.
So how did you even find Egyptian to even link with Egyptian? So, okay, well, what the energy up with others?
So me really find Egyptian to start link with, like, coming home after my leave home and said me I go to the road cause I don't know where like we do like 4 or 5 students a day. You see me? So once I leave me that left, leave come a Jaro. I mean about Egyptian and Jaro. I mean I got respect and manners and see. You see me? I said, and when what is and see, it's that washing vehicle. You see me? Go back to dub plate. I'm a juvenile at them time there. You see me? I say, and me kind of respect Egyptian image because I'm managing the energy. I have a dub plate and beg him see it. With a sing it through me. So me da make a fool or gain a fool. You see me? I say, so at the time me da circle of things there before me even go to my cartel. You see me? I me circle this up and then me go to cartel. And me da do it reach a stage as me start do 3 days on a cartel. I'm going to a cartel Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday make Egyptian the party. Thursday me reach back on the Gaza and Friday, Saturday I'm going to keep Egyptian another party. You see me? We have to watch the movements cause cartel is a very observations man. You see me? Cause when I turn in start saying, Jeffrey said, Daddy, you might miss days in them. Cause there's a one up with. Jeffrey I said, Egyptian. I said, oh, I'm good. I want away.
Portmore.
More for sure. You see me? With Egyptians, I think Western youth still. You see what I say? Yeah, when the years him come from Lawrence Tavern. Portmore. Gully. Whoa.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.